just want to pop one balloon.
Yeah.
Hey, all right, good job.
Yeah, nice one.
I know you've seen it.
4 out of 5.
What's that? Yeah, wow. Awesome, buddy. What are you talking about? I heard 5 out of 5. So that's gonna get you a super duper cool either little dinosaur or an even cooler popsicle. Or if we're getting 2 for that, how about we do this? 2 for that? Yeah. You guys?
Thank you. How much change do you get back?
Say I get $3.
Say $100. Say
I wish. Andy wishes. Wow.
Yeah.
Good. See it. I'm checking everything.
I'm gonna go in.
See. Be careful. Wow, fire truck. on your bump. Good job. Ready?
Nice.